Hello everyone and welcome to Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's solid base prep from St. Catherine up against Corinaldi Avenue Primary from St. James. I'm your host Javon Keys and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Corinaldi Avenue Primary won and decided to send solid base prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with solid base prep, Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible is it stated that the wages of sin is death?
Proverbs.
Incorrect. Romans. Corinaldi Avenue, Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible is it stated that Jesus wept?
Jeremiah.
Incorrect. John. International affairs or visual question, solid base. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Keir Starmer. Keir Starmer.
British Prime Minister. That's correct. International affairs or visual question, Corinaldi. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden.
US President. That's correct. Science. Solid base. What is the name for the amount of mass per unit volume in any object?
Matter. Matter.
Incorrect. Density. Science. Corinaldi, what is the name for the use of sound waves by bats to locate objects in their surroundings?
Echolocation. Echolocation.
Correct. Television. A visual question, solid base. Look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character.
Grandpa Jones. Grandpa Jones.
Incorrect. Geppetto from Pinocchio. Television. A visual question, Corinaldi. Look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character.
Tom.
Incorrect. Figaro from Pinocchio. English language, solid base. What tense is used in the sentence? My mother is baking cookies for church.
Present continuous tense.
Present continuous tense.
Correct. English language, Corinaldi. What tense is used in this sentence? My dad will go to work tomorrow.
Future continuous tense.
Incorrect. Future tense. Solid base. Sports. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Stephanie Taylor.
Incorrect. Romelda Aiken George, Jamaican netballer. Sports. A visual question, Corinaldi. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Akila Ricketts.
Incorrect. Shanice Beckford, Jamaican netballer. General knowledge, solid base. In which part of Africa is Egypt located? Is it north, south, east, or west?
West.
Incorrect. North. General knowledge, Corinaldi. In which part of Africa is Ethiopia located? Is it north, south, east, or west?
South.
Incorrect. East. Social studies, solid base. Complete this title of the national anthem of Antigua and Barbuda. Fair Antigua.
We salute thee. We salute thee.
Correct. Corinaldi, social studies. O Land of Beauty is the title of the national anthem of which Caribbean country?
Grenada.
Incorrect. St. Kitts and Nevis, solid base. Which former Digital Rising Stars winner recorded the single Chill Spot?
Chill Spot. Eric Donaldson.
Incorrect. Christopher Martin, music, Corinaldi. Which high school does JL, the runner-up of the last season's Digital Rising Stars competition, currently attend?
St. Diego.
Incorrect. St. George's College. Mathematics, solid base. What is the product of 0.78 and 10,000?
78000.
Incorrect. 7,800. Corinaldi, mathematics, what is the product of 4.67 times 100,000? Incorrect. 467,000. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Solid Base Prep on 3 and Corinaldi Avenue Primary on 2. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. When studying or doing schoolwork, make sure you are comfortable. However, avoid sitting on the couch or staying in bed, as this may cause you to become sleepy, and we don't want that. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.